Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can remove the background noise in a video by using Capcut. So if you have a video with like a noise on the background like this and you want to remove it, so what you need to do is just click on the video and swipe through the menu until you find the reduce noise option. So click on that and click on the circle to enable the feature. Now the noise reduction is in progress. You can just wait until it finishes. Click on the check icon. Okay, so now let's hear the result. You can see now the noise is so much better than before. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on a thanks. Bye.